All right, here's the ADC Sound Shaper 110 MKII. Just restored it. I'm going to show that it works pretty well. For whatever reason, I guess my camera doesn't pick up the red very well. Those LEDs are quite red. But here's how it works. Let's go to FM real quick, since I can't use my phone to play something. There we go. Bypass. You can switch to the tape in the back. And this is for recording, whether you have the AQ go through or not. I'm doing that so it doesn't get flagged. And also to show you how quiet it is. Turn my volume way up. You got to get way up past half, and I'm telling you, that would blow your ears out. Let me go back to the station. I mean, that's louder than I would comfortably want to hear. And you here, let's go up louder than it's comfortable. Silent. I mean, just absolutely silent. Nothing. So it's in great shape. ADC Sound Shaper. It's beautiful. Works great.